Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this was quite an interesting face to try and achieve because it was a real close-up, and I used the usual geometric and observational methods with the good speed and creating the feedback loop. This one took me 3 minutes, 2 minutes 40 and 2 minutes, and I believe that I actually captured the essence of the model. She was looking straight at the camera and her mouth was actually half open, hence why she's pulling that pout. And she had beautiful curls coming down over her face. I am really enjoying the close-ups now. I was quite hesitant to try them again, but I believe I'm starting to capture them. Please let me know what you think. If you don't know what I'm talking about with the terms like feedback loop, geometric and observational methods, contact me. I will provide more information. I am really quite happy to do that for anybody, and you'll also see the evidence that I have progressed very quickly within a month to 6 months ago. So yeah, go and check out the rest of the channel and let me know. Thanks guys.